What is Tor browser? Ever wondered what it is and why people use it? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
First things first, what exactly is the Tor browser? Tor stands for the Onion Router. It's a free and open source web browser designed for anonymous communication. Think of it as a super private internet browser that helps keep your online activities hidden from prying eyes.
How does Tor work?
Now let's talk about how it works. When you use Tor, your internet traffic is sent through a network of servers or nodes around the world. Each node peels away a layer of encryption, just like peeling an onion, hence the name. So why would you want to use Tor? Here are some key benefits. Privacy protection. Your IP address is hidden, making it hard for websites to track your location and identity. Bypass censorship. Tor allows you to access websites that might be blocked or censored in your country. Secure browsing. It helps protect against surveillance and tracking, which is especially useful if you're dealing with sensitive information. But it's not all rainbows and unicorns. There are some drawbacks to using Tor. Slower speeds. Because your traffic is routed through multiple nodes, browsing can be slower than usual. Not completely anonymous. While Tor offers a high level of privacy, it's not 100% foolproof. Certain activities can still expose your identity. Restricted services. Some websites and services might block Tor users to prevent abuse. Ready to give it a try? Here's how to get started with Tor. Visit the official Tor project website at torproject.org. Download the Tor browser for your operating system. Install the browser and follow the setup instructions. Launch the Tor browser and start exploring the internet with enhanced privacy. Okay? And there you have it. You can be an ethical hacker by using Tor, and you must have 5 skills. Click this video for Become a Hacker. See you here.